We are on a mission and we have a target to achieve. Now, we all know about the current economic situation of Nigeria, and it's not helping matters at all. It's growing worse by the day. The rate of poverty is on the high side. So how do we survive in this kind of economy? People hear us talk about Forex, they think it's investing in Forex markets. There is actually a difference between Forex investment platforms and Forex trading platforms. These are some of the things we'll bring to your awareness and the opportunities involved in Forex trading. So you won't be able to rely on someone to trade for you, and the person might be able to do away with your money. There are several opportunities involved in Forex trading. Over $6.6 trillion are put into the Forex market on daily basis, and if you can take away $200 to $500 every day, the market won't even feel a thing. And multiply that in a week or in a month, you can see the amount of opportunities and wealth making opportunities involved in Forex trading. Some people might ask, is Forex trading a Ponzi scheme? Will it end one day? Now, Forex trading is not a Ponzi scheme. Forex trading started when the world started using different currencies, and it will only end when the world decides to use one currency. So it's not gonna end. So what are the benefits of passing through the PODFOREX classes? Now, in PODFOREX classes, okay, you are going to learn the A to Z of Forex trading at a very, very affordable price. And not only that, we offer you free setup, and we also give you a good Forex trading strategy to make profits which have been tested and trusted over time. The number to call for inquiries about registration and startup of classes is 07064243030.